Okay, so we're going to have a look at this Remco high-speed profile grinding attachment that is meant to be mounted onto a lathe, the carriage of a lathe, and go back and forth, left to right. And I'm assuming that this has possibly some type of an infeed of its own, or you have to use the infeed of the lathe. This here is a track, or like a travadial made by the same company. It's almost the same idea, that would mount on the bed of the lathe, and as you go back and forth, you're going to get a readout, a longitudinal readout from left and right. This is your grinding motor here, and the grinding wheel, and your spindle is in here. I see some kind of a servo motor mounted on the back here, and it does say profile, so I'm assuming that maybe it has the means of dressing itself and putting a type of profile on a wheel, but again, you'd have to check with the sales literature and your salesman. This is all the cabling that would connect back and move along with it as it goes down, keeping it connected to the control box, which is right here. And you have a little LCD display that probably gives you some positioning and some other information that I'm not sure about at the moment. Everything looks to be in order. So that's what I'm thinking we got here. Looks to be about a 12-inch diameter wheel. Possibly that's why they call it a 1200 series. Again, this is the Remco high-speed profile grinding attachment for a lathe. And I see, looking back here, some proximity switches, so there's a lot going on. There's a servo motor here, there's some type of servo motor back here. Again, I'm not very familiar with the unit myself. Doesn't seem to have a lot of hours on it. And that's about it. Thank you.